Yesterday all day, from about 10 in the morning to even about 7 o'clock this morning, it was snowing. Because we weren't sure about the wind and stuff, we put our Santa Claus down yesterday. Quite the snowdrift. It'd be cool and a lot of snow, but it's definitely very pretty. Especially looking at the snowdrifts. Just very pretty. Those spots are almost I just love seeing the different levels of snow from when it's been blowing. So I think for the rest of the day when I come out, I think I'll be coming out in my snow pants. It's also crispy.